This is Stephen McCoy, and we're here talking about latte art today. We're going to focus primarily on the different designs of heart that you can pour. There are three different styles of heart that we're going to focus on today. One is going to be the solid heart, where you let it naturally form coming out of the pitcher. There's the stack heart, where you're going to stack multiple blobs together to make the heart. And then there's also the ripple heart, where you'll wiggle the pitcher back and forth in order to get the heart. When pouring the solid heart, you just want to swirl and incorporate, and as soon as you start seeing the white form, make sure you fill up your cup nicely and let the heart naturally form underneath your pitcher. Raise the pitcher up high and cut through when you're ready to finish. So stacked hearts are made by combining multiple blobs together and then cutting them through to make a heart. I like to start pouring my blobs a little more in the front half of my cup in order to get a more centered design in the end. I usually like to do about 4 stacks to achieve this and then cut up nice and high. When pouring the ripple heart, follow the same principles and let the cup get a little more than half full. When you start seeing the white drawing on the crema, get in nice and close and start wiggling the pitcher back and forth slowly. This will create some nice contrast between the crema and the milk, giving you a really cool ripple design. And then again, raise your pitcher up high and cut through when you want to finish.